The term negative space refers to an empty block of space on a page. When used correctly, it creates a dramatic effect by making a portion of the page stand out. Negative space does not happen by chance. It is a planned part of the overall design. The term negative space often produces an image of a large block of empty space. While this is true, negative space does not have to be large to be effective. Any space that is not filled is considered to be negative space. This includes the small spaces between photographs and other parts of the page. The following example will demonstrate the use of negative space to enhance the design. A supply list for this project can be found on the left side of your screen. In this example, we will use a mosaic technique. Cut 16 equal rectangles from white cardstock. To create equal blocks with the correct amount of space between them, first measure the height and width of the page. Decide how much space you want between each block. In this case, the space is 1/8 of an inch. Since we are using 4 blocks across the page, there will be 5 1/8 inch spaces, including the side borders. Subtract that amount from the total page width and divide it by 4 to determine the width of the blocks. Follow the same process to determine the height of each block. When the blocks are placed on the page, the red background paper will show through the spaces between the blocks. The red lines created by the mosaic are the negative space. When using negative space in this fashion, use equal amounts of space around all sides and between elements on the page. This helps to create continuity between each aspect of the page. Another great way to use negative space on layouts is with punches or die cuts. Using the negative image created by a punch or die cut allows you to use the color of the background paper to display the shape, while creating a distinct outline with the negative image. Here the letters J and K are negative images of a die cut. When planning the design of a page, consider the negative space and how it affects the overall design. Look for ways to achieve balance and continuity in your layouts through the use of negative space.